Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this lovely hat or beanie. I use one ball of yarn and 5mm and 6mm crochet hook for here, 5mm for the brim. If you are ready, please push the subscribe button and let's start. First, I want to explain you something about this ribbing. It must be multiples of 4 because we will make 3 double crochet into that 2 row, and we will make 3 this 2 row, and it will be 6. This stitch will be multiple of 6. If you make it like that, it will be easier way to make this. I made this brim with half double crochet. You can use single crochet if you want, and please make it loosely because there will be tighter than that. If you don't like a loose brim, please make a single crochet the same way I made this. Nothing changed, only use single crochet. And let's start. I will make a slip knot and chain 11. Yarn over and skip this first chain. Make a half double into that second chain and make half doubles for all the chains. I complete the first row, chain 1, turn your work and make a half double here. Now we will make 8 half doubles back loop only. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. And that last one, we will make half double from both loops, both 2 loops. Chain 1, turn and make a half double. Make 8 back loops half double and make a half double here from both loops. We will just keep doing like that and make our ribbing. Then we will join them together like that. I just take the loop, chain 1, take the loops like that and make a slip stitch. I will join them together like that. I complete the joining and then turn my work like that. Just chain 3. This does not count as a double crochet or something. Now we will make 3 double crochet here. That's first, second and third. We will make 3 here. And 3 here. I will just keep doing like that and make 3 double crochets into that 2 row. And see you again. I complete my first row and totally have 66 double crochet. I'll just join from that first double crochet stitch, chain 3 and yarn over twice. Now we will make our twists. Just skip 3 double crochet and we will make a front post treble crochet around this fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice and make one more. Yarn over twice and make it again. Yarn over twice and we will turn this first double crochet we leave here. We will make our treble. This is second one. And third one. It looks like that. We will make it again. Yarn over twice, skip 3 double crochet, make 3 trebles, front post of course, just turn back and make this 3, sorry. We will just keep doing for this row like that. I complete this row and join from that first stitch, chain 3, yarn over twice. Now we will make a different thing. It seems a little complicated, I know, but it's not. We will just make a 2 row again and again and again, and this is the second row. And for this row, I will skip that 6 treble and make front post treble from this 3 treble. One, 2, 3. This is our first 3 treble. Yarn over twice. Now we will make these 3, but not like that. We will make it like that. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. Just you can make it like that. Okay, that's the easy way. We will just leave these three here. We will make this three at the end with this three. Okay, I will show you again. Yarn over twice, skip this three, make front post treble around this three. Yarn over twice. Just take them like that. And make a front post treble. I will finish this row like that. When I came here, I'll see you again. I came to the end and yarn over twice. That's the first three we left here. Yarn over again, and we will make here I complete it and join from the first treble we made. Chain 3. Now I will start with this 6. This is the last one we made, and this is the first one. Just yarn over twice. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over twice. Just turn like that. 1, 2, and 3. I will show you one more time. Yarn over twice, just skip this 3, make 3 front post, yarn over twice and make 3 front posts here. I'll just keep doing like that and came here, join from here. I'll make it and come again. I complete this row and join from that first stitch, chain 3, skip this 2, sorry, 1, 2, oops. And that's 3. Yarn over, and we will make this one like that. And that's all. We will keep doing like that. For how many rows, I don't know really, but I will make it almost 9 inches long. I will do it and show you how to close upper side. I make this almost 9 inches long, and now I will make decreases. Chain 2, we will make double crochets, front loop double crochets with decrease now. Just yarn over and pull it through first 2. Don't complete this double crochet, and make it again one more time. I have 3 loops, and yarn over, put through in that 3 loops. I'll make it again half of a double crochet, one more, just complete them together. I will just keep doing like that and finish this row like that. I complete this row, just join from the first stitch, chain 2. I'll make the crease again. You see, this is 1 double crochet now, and I will make a front post half of a double and make it again. Make it again. Just keep doing like that for this row. I almost finished. That's the last one left. I'll make it a front post double, just join, and you can cut the yarn. Take a needle and I will sew it like that. Just insert your loops. When I came here, just squeeze it. And I will make a tie like that. It's finished. And that's finished. I made a pom-pom. As you see, you can add a pom-pom. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe, please. I'll wait for your comment, and Since Crochet is my Instagram address. Thanks for watching me. Hope to see you again.